Anyone who has ever watched a toddler methodically take apart a Tupperware drawer should know that many children are natural-born engineers. Your only job as a parent is to nurture their creativity and, well, clean up the mess afterwards. And guys, in today's video, we will be showing you some futuristic toys that are worth buying for kids. Without further ado, let's begin. Cogtoys Dino. As we head on with technology, there are toys currently that can talk and interact with kids. Such toys aren't new, and some have been in existence since the 90s. Now, one of the most interactive, neatest toys ever imagined is the Cogtoys Dino. This toy resembles a plastic dinosaur and uses artificial intelligence technology from IBM and Elemental Path's FriendGen, helping the toy learn and adapt to what people say. The gadget also comes with a Wi-Fi connection, which enables it to connect to a cloud-based system. It evolves by hearing what the child is saying and then adapts the programming with the child's ability and age. When everything checks, the toy can call out the child's name, speak to them, tells them stories and jokes, answers any questions, and gives them games and essays that help them develop their vocabulary and improve their math skills. The fantastic thing about these toys is that they are children-friendly and do not cost much. Ubtech Jimu Robot Tankbot. This powerful and personable Jimu Robot Tankbot kit has got what it takes to keep your creativity rolling. This kit includes heavy-duty treads, an infrared sensor, and grab-and-lift technology to build Tankbot or your very own Jimu robot creation. Engage in hands-on STEM learning by programming Jimu robots using the Blockly coding platform or by creating entirely new custom actions with the PRP, Pose, Record, Play function. However you play, this Jimu robot kit will strengthen programming skills and provide invaluable learning experiences. Blockly coding makes programming simple and fun. Drag and drop interlocking blocks of customizable sequences to make your Jimu robots navigate obstacles, grab and lift objects, race, play, and more. Control the fluid-like motion of your Jimu robots through the app. Anki Cosmo. Cosmo is a robot friend who loves to have fun. Thanks to AI, he can express hundreds of emotions, recognize you, and remember your name. He even evolves the more you hang out. Cosmo is made of 300+ parts that create one super smart, super entertaining robot. With edge detection, Cosmo is safe to explore on his own, but he prefers together time. Cosmo is a game-playing machine, literally. Whether lifting his cubes or challenging you to games like Quick Tap, Keep Away, and Memory Match, he's always up for action. Switch to Explorer mode and see what Cosmo sees. You can guide Cosmo to go places, prompt him to greet people and pets, and use Cosmo's lift to move his cubes around. FisherPrice Think and Learn Smart Cycle. With the Think and Learn Smart Cycle from FisherPrice, preschoolers can learn important skills they'll need as they head into kindergarten, all while they pedal through existing games played right on a tablet or television. This immersive play experience makes learning fun and active. There are 3 super fun ways for preschoolers to ride their smart cycle through an exciting learning adventure. Just download the free Mission and Tech City app and get your little gamer pedaling. The faster kids pedal, the faster the on-screen action. If you are enjoying the video, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos just like this. Sphero Mini. Drive a robot and then learn to code it on your own. Sphero Mini is a powerful, ping-pong-sized robotic ball with a gyroscope, accelerometer, and LED lights that glow in tons of colors. The free app makes it simple to explore a huge range of experiences. Each robot ball comes with 3 traffic cones and 6 bowling pins. Weave in and out of the cones, knock down the pins, or build your very own obstacle course. Different drive modes, arcade-style games, and basic coding commands enable endless fun in the Sphero Play app. More experienced learners can advance to programming the Mini with block-based coding or JavaScript in the Sphero Edu app. Kano Computer Kit. The computer kit is a computer anyone can make, like Lego. You build and code it yourself. It's a fun way to make, play, and express your creativity with technology, and not just consume it. Learn to code in simple steps, use hundreds of third-party apps like YouTube and Wikipedia, and so much more. Open the box, pull out the bits, button, and brain. Follow the story, build a computer all by yourself. Look inside, see how it works, and bring it to life. Browse the internet, use your favorite apps like YouTube, WhatsApp, Google Docs, and more. With simple steps, learn logic, Python, JavaScript, and terminal commands. Level up as you market art, games, and music. Your first steps into making your own website, games, and more. Simple for beginners, expansive for experts. Create landscapes and geometric rainbows. Code your own musical masterpieces and animations. Don't just play games, change the rules. Take control of Minecraft, Pong, and Snake. Magnatile's 32-piece. Build creativity with the Magnatile set. This set features 48 solid colored shapes to allow your child to create a colorful masterpiece. The deluxe set includes a car, door frame, arch, hole punch triangles, and imagination pieces to provide hundreds of creative combinations. Each tile edge is magnetized so your child can connect them to build anything they can imagine. If you can click it, you can create it. This set allows your child to create flat or three-dimensional structures. All original Magnatile's building sets are compatible for your convenience. These durable tiles are built to provide years of quality use. The Magnatile set is recommended for children ages 3 and older. LEGO Education Spike Prime Set. LEGO Education Spike Prime Set is the go-to STEAM learning tool for grades 6 to 8 students. Combining colorful LEGO building elements, easy-to-use hardware, and an intuitive drag-and-drop coding language based on Scratch, Spike Prime continuously engages students through playful learning activities to think critically and solve complex problems, regardless of their learning level. From easy entry projects to limitless creative design possibilities, including the option to explore text-based coding with Python, Spike Prime helps students learn the essential STEAM and 21st century skills needed to become the innovative minds of tomorrow, while having fun. Sphero Spectrums. Built with sleek technology including an accelerometer, light sensor, and Bluetooth low-energy connectivity, Spectrum's rings provide an accessible, portable, and tactile way to discover music creation without spending money on expensive, singular instruments. Download the Spectrum's Mix app to access curated sound packs that allow you to mix and produce entire songs with the tap of your fingers. You can also connect Spectrums to any other music software that accepts Bluetooth MIDI, such as GarageBand and Ableton Live. More than just playing DJ, Spectrums taps into the A of STEAM learning, art, through music composition. So guys, let me know down in the comments section below, which one of them you personally like the most. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.